Hi, I'm Brittany, and you're watching the best fishing show on the net. Fishing with Joe. You've gotta love it.
Ooh, goodness. There we go. That is a good one right there. That is a really, really good one. Look at the size of that crappie. There we go. Another one. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. I'm going to walk him around the boat right here. Oh, yeah, that's a nice crappie. Beautiful crappie. He's all the way back in there. Check that crappie out. Look how thick he is. Oh, yeah.
If you're looking for the best bait in the Buckeye State and an awesome selection of tackle, look no further. R&R Bait has been serving up the best for over 100 years. Our knowledgeable and friendly staff will make sure you're outfitted right for your next fishing adventure. And when you go, tell them Joe sent you. Now, let's get back to the action.
Don't get left out in the cold. Total Auto Repair has the hottest deals on repairs in town. Your Central Ohio leader in auto and diesel repairs. We offer free towing for our customers. We'll have you back on the road in no time. Our honest and superior service make us the shop you can trust. No job is too big or too small. We do them all. Mention this ad and you'll get 30% off your next service. Just think Total Auto Repair the next time your ride lets you down. Call today and experience the Total Auto difference for yourself.
Right now they're a little slow. The wind, not the wind, but the temperature has so much to do with things. When the temperature drops, the fish they'll shut down. Now, if the sun would come out and start shining, give it about ooh, there we go, got him. That's a nice one too. Oh yeah, it is. Coming in the boat. All right, we were just talking about the crappie. And I was saying, it's not as sunny today as it was on the last day that I came out. So these fish, it's early in the spring. It's been kind of a cold spring. These fish are a little slow right now. So I have to wait on them just a little bit longer in order to get them to hit. That's a beautiful crappie right there. Beautiful, beautiful fish. And when they come up and they really start spawning, they'll just really turn dark. And so this one hasn't turned dark yet, but you can see the fat stomach. Got eggs in there. So they're ready to start their business. They just haven't quite started it yet. All right, and he's going back. That way you'll be able to catch him. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Thank you very, very much. All right, right back to work. There we go, another one. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, I'm gonna walk him around the boat right here. Oh yeah, that's a nice crappie. Oh yeah, it is. Come on, swing in the boat. Oh gosh, that's what I'm talking about. That is a good one right there. That is a good one. Oh yeah, beautiful crappie, beautiful crappie. It's all the way back in there. And today, like I was saying, they're a little timid. And so I gotta wait a little bit longer for them, just a little bit longer. But obviously it's worth the wait. Check that crappie out, look how thick he is. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get a good close up. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. All right, I'm gonna put this fish back. Thank you very much, Mr. Fish. Now I'm going to show you something. Simple rig. I use this quite a bit. Slip float. I like the styrofoam ones. They're just more buoyant. This one has got a weight on it. Small rubber bobber stops. Rubber core sinker, 1/16 ounce, and a number 2 gold true turn hook. And I am setting this about 2 foot down. Simple, simple rig. It'll catch you lots of crappies in the spring. All right, I'm gonna put it back to work. That sun coming out and immediately kind of warmed things up a little bit. Oh gosh, he had it right away. Oh yeah. Okay, I was talking to my cameraman, and when we started, it was just sprinkling just a little bit. And I told him, I said, as soon as the sun comes out, they'll start biting faster. And as soon as the sun peeked out, that was it. Tossed that bobber out, and he just took it right under. All right, another beautiful fish, another beautiful fish. And show you what I'm using. Minnows from R&R Bait and Tackle, best in the Buckeye State. All right, put this fish back. That way you can catch him when you come out to the lake. Ooh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fat one. I like the fat ones. Haha. I like the fat ones. I know you like the fat ones too. I'll give you a good close-up of that one. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. All right. Now that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. There's a big difference between a good custom cover and those cookie cutter covers.
You actually get a cover custom made to your boat. I'm physically making it to your boat.
If you buy one of the cookie cutter covers, every year or 2 years you'll end up replacing that cover.
You're going to constantly be going out there, strapping it back down. We call them water catchers.
But if you've got a good one, it'll last you for the next 10 years. And in the course of the long run, you end up paying less for something that's good, and then you have a good high quality product the whole time that you never worry about.
Weldcraft makes the most reliable, durable boats on the planet. All welded hulls and heavy-duty construction are the reasons why. With over 25 years manufacturing experience, you can't go wrong. That's why it's the boat Joe chooses to reel in the big ones. If you want the hottest boat on the planet, you better quit playing. You better get to Weldcraft. Now let's get back to the fishing and fun.
Whoa! There we go. There's another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a nice one right there. All right. It's a nice crappie right there. I'm gonna hold on to that tight so I can keep my minnow. All right, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh yeah, gotta love crappie fishing in the spring. Nothing better, nothing better. He was ready to go back too. I'm ready to go back in there and catch another one. All right, still got my minnow. Whoa, here I am looking away. Alrighty. There we go. They're hitting kind of slow. And so I was looking around to the next spot where I was going to pitch my bobber to, and the bobber was going under. There we go. Another fish. Thank you. Oh, goodness. Oh, yes. That's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a good one. I think I found the spot. I've got a tree in the water, and the tree has little branches kind of poking out right at water level. And there's some other little brush around it, and it's just where the fish want to be right now. So when you're catching them, you keep throwing it back in there, keep catching them until you can't catch them anymore. But in the early spring, look for spots like that. Look for that tree that's alive with leaves on it and other branches around it. Look for the complex structure, because those are places that are more likely to hold fish and to hold better numbers of fish. All right? There we go. All right. Ooh, goodness. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. One over here. Come over here. Oh yeah. That is a good one right there. That is a really, really good one. Look at the size of that crappie. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Gotta love catching them in the spring. On the lake that I'm at, it's there are primarily white crappies. I rarely catch any black crappies in this area. And in this area, the water is relatively deep. I'm in a cove, and there's 60 foot of water, not very far from where I'm at. So these crappies come out of deep water, and then they, of course, come into the coves to spawn. And in deep water areas, you'll primarily get white crappies. Well, there we go. Beautiful white crappie. Thank you. All right. All right. Thanks for watching today's episode of Fishing with Joe. Tried to show you a couple things about crappie fishing in the early spring for white crappies on a central Ohio lake. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a couple of things. But just because I quit filming doesn't mean I'm going to quit fishing. So I'll see you next time.